Tesla vehicles offer three display modes: light, dark, and auto. These modes adjust the screen's color scheme to optimize visibility in different lighting conditions. Light mode uses bright backgrounds and dark text, perfect for daytime driving and bright environments. Dark mode features dark backgrounds with light text, ideal for nighttime driving to reduce eye strain. Auto mode automatically switches between light and dark based on ambient light and time of day. This video will guide you through switching between these modes to enhance visibility and reduce eye strain during your drives. To change your Tesla's display mode, navigate to Controls on the touchscreen. Then tap Display. Here, you'll find the options to select Light, Dark, or Auto mode. This is where you customize your screen's appearance. To switch to dark mode, start from your Tesla's main screen. Tap the Controls button, then navigate to Display Settings. Once in Display Settings, you'll see options including Light, Dark, and Auto. Tap the Dark button to activate dark mode. Upon tapping Dark, the screen switches immediately to a dark background with light-colored text and icons, perfect for nighttime driving. Dark mode reduces blue light emission, which can minimize eye fatigue during nighttime driving. It may also help conserve energy on your Tesla's display. This feature has been available since Tesla's software version 8 in 2019. To revert to light mode, go back to Controls greater than Display and tap Light. This will switch the screen to a bright background with dark text, ideal for maximizing readability in sunlight and mimicking traditional screens. To enable auto mode for seamless transitions, first navigate to Controls and then Display in your Tesla's touchscreen. This brings up the display settings where you can choose your theme. Next, select the Auto option from the available display themes. This enables automatic switching without any manual intervention. Tesla's Auto mode uses built-in sensors and geolocation to detect ambient light levels and the time of day, seamlessly adjusting the display between light and dark modes as conditions change. This enhanced Auto mode was first introduced in software version 10 in 2021 and has been further refined in version 12 in 2023, providing even smoother transitions. You can also use voice commands to switch display modes as a hands-free alternative. Simply activate Tesla's voice system and say commands like, "Hey Tesla, switch to dark mode," or "Hey Tesla, switch to light mode." Other commands include, "Hey Tesla, set display to auto," for automatic mode switching based on light conditions. The system will respond verbally and instantly change the display mode, making it safe and convenient while driving. This hands-free method works offline, syncs across your Tesla vehicles if linked to your account, and enhances safety by keeping your hands on the wheel. Light mode is ideal for daytime driving in bright sunlight, providing high contrast with white or light backgrounds and dark text for maximum readability. This mode mimics traditional screens and ensures clear visibility during sunny conditions, preventing glare and improving safety. Dark mode excels in nighttime driving, using black or dark backgrounds with light text to reduce eye strain and minimize blue light emission. It can also save energy on OLED-like displays, with studies showing 15 to 25% power savings, potentially extending battery life by up to 1 mile per charge. Tesla users report 72% preference for dark modes among EV owners. Auto mode offers the most convenient experience by automatically switching between light and dark based on ambient light sensors and time of day. This adaptive feature reduces driver distraction during transitions and enhances safety. Tesla's implementation uses GPS data for seamless operation, with 70% of owners enabling it according to recent surveys. The best mode depends on your driving conditions and preferences. Experiment with each option to find what works for you. Light mode for bright days, dark mode for night and energy efficiency, or auto mode for hands-free adaptation. Tesla's display modes enhance both comfort and vehicle efficiency. If the display mode doesn't change as expected, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Restarting the touchscreen can resolve minor glitches with display modes. Remember, changing modes while driving can be distracting, so adjust settings before you begin your journey. Access display settings via Controls, Display, Theme on your Tesla screen. Use voice commands through Tesla's AI, such as Set Display to Auto. Control remotely using the Tesla mobile app for convenient adjustments.